Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. TCS free NQT for many of the colleges is announced, and the test date will be Monday, 15th of January 2024. So this is a big news right now which is coming here from TCS. So TCS has finally told the date for the campuses, and definitely it is only for the certain campus, and this is only for the batch of 2024, a student only from the year of passing batch of 2024. And if we'll see about the package, then Ninja, they are going to pay 3.3 LPA for UG undergraduate, that means BTech, and PG 3.5 LPA. That means if you have done MTech, digital 7 LPA, and then for PG it is 7.3 LPA, and then they have Prime for 9 LPA and 11.5 LPA for PG. And you can also see, so foundation section, numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability 25, 25, 25, and advanced section we will be having quantitative ability, reasoning and coding. So 20, 15, and 55 minutes. So all the duration has been given for the foundation section and for the advanced section. Okay. So friends, this is definitely a good news here, because most of the company like Infosys and all, they have told they are not going to hire candidates from TCS. So for a few colleges, now the TCS exam is on 15th, and for other colleges, it might be January end. For other colleges, it might be Feb, starting. So for different colleges, definitely you will be expecting the different dates. Okay, friends, we will be providing each and every update from our channel. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that any kind of hiring update we will be telling you from our channel, or preparation videos that you might be seeing from the long time, and it will be keep continued. So whatever exam is there, like for Accenture, we were putting Accenture videos. So if you go to Accenture and see, we had put lot more, I mean their playlist, if you go and see, then we had put lot of videos on Accenture, right? Okay, so you can check it in the playlist now. So for TCS also we are going to do the same thing, so for all the level. And if you want to prepare for TCS, then we have released the crash course on TCS NQT 2024 with the new pattern. Okay, so all those things will be available here. You can go and you can see the content, right? So here there'll be content will be there. So we will be having aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, programming videos. Okay, and then the previous year questions, psychometric test, SDLC, and also you will be getting on PDF from where you will be having the questions which has been asked. Okay, so all the details you will be getting it here now. So friends, you can read the complete detail here. So we would like to inform you that TCS interested for the campus placement drive, this opportunity for all departments. So it's not only for one department. Enclosed list of eligible students and TCS registration portal steps. So they have given the complete details here. So you will be getting from your placement, right? So TPO. Okay. So all the details has been given here. So the test date is Monday, 15th of January 2024. So this was the news which I wanted to tell you, friends. So they need 60% or 60 GPA throughout your academic criteria. Okay. So all the important points has been given here, and you have to do the registration. So process to complete the TCS form is outlined below. Okay, so if you're already having the CTDT IT number, then you can directly apply, but wait for the email from your placement department. So that's really a very good news here. Start your preparation right now, so that you will not be behind. See, all the videos, if you'll see, so it is like for the longer duration. So this is the next level problems. Okay, so there'll be difficult level of problem will be there, and then here the basic problems will be there, like 49 minutes, 46 minutes, 59 minutes, 59 minutes. So this kind of content you will be getting it on our channel, right? So this is aptitude videos, then we have the reasoning videos, then we have the verbal ability, we have the programming videos, right? So the complete details, complete videos, you will be getting it here, and you will be easily able to crack it. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. Bye bye.